In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify dropshipping store. We'll walk through the initial setup together so you can get into your dashboard quickly and start exploring. I'll keep things simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Shopify website. Make sure you're on the real site by checking the URL and the secure lock icon in your address bar. Once you're there, look for the Start Free Trial button. Click that to begin. This is the gateway to creating your store without committing right away. You'll be asked to select an account. If you already use Shopify or have a compatible login, choose that. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account in a few quick steps. Keep your login details secure and use an email you can access easily, since Shopify may send important setup messages. Next, you'll see your trial options. You typically get a 3-day free trial, and there may be a promotional option to subscribe now for a low introductory price. If you're not ready to pick a plan, you can skip this step for the moment and continue with your trial. Choosing the trial lets you explore the platform and make sure it's a good fit before you spend money. You can always return to pick a plan later from your dashboard. Shopify will then ask a few onboarding questions to tailor your experience. These might include what stage you're at, what you plan to sell, or where you want to sell. Select the answers that best match your situation. Don't overthink it. These choices help Shopify suggest features and can be changed later. Keep following the on-screen prompts and let the setup flow guide you forward. Once you're through those questions, you'll land in your store's dashboard. Congratulations, your dropshipping store framework is created. Take a moment to look around. The home view gives you shortcuts and recommendations. The side navigation helps you find key areas like products, orders, customers, and apps. You don't need to configure everything right now. The goal at this stage is to explore and get comfortable. Click around to see what's available. Preview your online store to get a feel for how it looks, and open the theme editor to see how design changes would work. No need to publish anything yet. Watch for tooltips and help icons. They're surprisingly helpful. If you're curious about expanding your store, the apps section is where you'll later discover integrations that support dropshipping workflows. That's it for the initial setup. You opened Shopify, started your trial, answered a few questions, and reached your dashboard. From here, explore confidently. Your store is ready for you to build on.